Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illuminate Pages. Today we are diving into the transformative wisdom of The Power of Self-Discipline by Brian Tracy. Get ready to unlock the secrets to achieving your goals and living your best life. Lesson 1. Understanding Self-Discipline. Self-discipline is the foundation of success in every aspect of life. It's the ability to what you should do, when you should do it, whether you feel like it or not. Understanding self-discipline means recognizing that it's not about waiting for motivation or inspiration to strike. It's about taking action despite any resistance or discomfort. Lesson 2. Setting clear goals. Tracy emphasizes the importance of setting clear, specific and achievable goals to provide direction and motivation. It's the fundamental aspect of self-discipline and success. When your goals are well defined, you have a clear direction to follow, and you can focus your efforts on tasks that will bring you closer to achieving them. Lesson 3. Prioritizing tasks. How to identify your most important tasks and focus your energy on activities that will bring you closer to your goals. Prioritizing tasks involves determining which activities are most crucial for achieving your goals and completing them before anything else. By prioritizing effectively, you ensure that you are making progress on what matters most and avoiding getting bogged down by less important tasks. Lesson 4. Overcoming procrastination. Tracy provides strategies for overcoming procrastination, including breaking tasks into small steps and setting deadlines. Procrastination is the enemy of productivity and progress. It's the tendency to delay or avoid tasks that we know we should be doing. Brian Tracy emphasizes that overcoming procrastination is crucial for achieving success and reaching your goals. Lesson 5. Managing time effectively. Discover time management techniques to maximize productivity and make the most of your day. Managing time effectively is crucial for maximizing productivity and achieving your goals. Brian Tracy emphasizes several key principles to help you make the most of your time, like set clear priorities, use time blocks, eliminate time wasters, plan and schedule, practice the Pareto principle, learn say to no. Implementing these time management strategies, you can increase your productivity, reduce stress, and make significant progress towards your goals. 6. Developing positive habits. Tracy discusses the power of habits in shaping your behavior and offer tips creating habits that support your goals. Developing positive habits is essential for maintaining self-discipline and achieving long-term success. By creating routines and behaviors that support your goals, you can automate positive actions and make them second nature. 7. Staying focused and motivated. How to stay focused on your goals and maintain motivation even when faced with challenges or setbacks. The importance of staying focused and motivated to achieve your goals says that maintaining focus on your objectives is essential for making progress and overcoming obstacles. Making decisions with confidence. Tracy shares techniques for making informed decisions quickly and confidently. Making decisions with confidence is an essential skill for success and personal fulfillment. Brian Tracy emphasizes that indecision can lead to missed opportunities and stagnation. 9. Embracing discipline as a lifestyle. Discover how to make self-discipline a habit or incorporate it in every aspect of your life. Embracing discipline as a lifestyle involves integrating self-discipline into every aspect of your life, from your daily routines to your long-term goals. Making conscious choices that align with your values and objectives even when faced with temptation or distractions. Achieving success and fulfillment. By mastering self-discipline, you can achieve your goals, fulfill your potential, and live a life of purpose and meaning. 10 powerful points from The Power of Self-Discipline by Brian Tracy. By implementing these strategies into your life, you can unleash your full potential and achieve extraordinary success. Thanks for joining us today on your Illuminate Pages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that bell icon for the notification and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, remember to harness the power of self-discipline and make your dreams a reality. Signing off, Maheshwari.